Ka Shillong Hajong Student Union bat ki seng phalang bapher kila pinlong ya jing thang momti hakindailat bandawai ko hong na binta arhut ki samla Hajong kibla yap anong thamai ha jinglong ki barang subha ka President ka Shillong Hajong Student Union ka Jyoti Rani Hajong kala ong bakani ka jingelang kalong ban pinpau ya ka jing solem bat ka jingitli bat ki long yeng kibla shakta kala kripa ki pulit bat ka sarkar jila ban pinlong ya ka jing tokit ka babanya ka bahong bat ka baklem jing shiliang Hagaju kapor ka Meghalaya Hajong Welfare Association kalapin pau ki jing sosi kabajur halor ka jingyap jong u simanta hajong apu isnam karta na ranikor bat ka prinomi hajong apu arsnam karta na balan kaseng kala dawai ki jing tokit ka bashai bat ka bakirki da ka baong ba ki long yeng bat ki pajba ki dei hok banyo ya ki jing shisha ki jing kit khle bat ka hok.
Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Rani Hajong and I am the president of Shillong Hajong Student Union. I'm not only present here as a president but as a sister and sister to the ones who has lost their life. So here we are present from different communities and different communities from different organizations which has come from far away. So here basically we are just showing our condolence towards the departed soul. So we are just here to so that we can show our respect towards the one who has lost their life. We don't know what the matter is. It is a mysterious death. They claim that it's unknown death. So now we just want to request the police and the government to look into this matter seriously and so that they don't give they do a proper investigation and also unfairly. Thank you.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.
Thank you.